everybody, and welcome to another video. We start this one off and it is a really short video of just one clip today, but I do want to tell you that there is a live drive coming this Friday, which will be the 11th of April. It will be starting at roughly about 10 AM. Just does depend on how hard it is for me to get Sarah out of her pit. And there will also be another one at 4 PM. So we're doing two live drives on this Friday, the 11th of April. And we will be going to a place where I've never been before. Sarah went last weekend and she really liked it. And she said that I should go down there as well to check it out. And where we will be going, where we will be going is a place called Deal. It's down near Dover, and I haven't figured out which way I'm going to go yet. So maybe if you want me to go a certain way, put them in the comments section and we will maybe accommodate. We don't know yet. Obviously we're going to be leaving roughly there, very close to Croydon, so we probably won't go through Croydon because I like the tyres on my car, and I like my car, so we will be going there. So just to let you know, if you can't make the first one at 10 AM, you maybe you may be able to make the 4 PM one, and times may vary, by the way. You know, it all depends what we're doing and all that sort of stuff. So hit the bell button and all that sort of stuff so you get notified when we do go live, and hopefully I'll be speaking a little bit better than what I am now. And believe it or not, I have not had a drink. Yeah, maybe I should, and I wouldn't be stumbling around all over my words. So as per normal, Sarah will be reading out all your comments and I will be answering them, and Sarah will be answering them if they're addressed to her. Hopefully, like I say, I will be talking a little bit better than what I am today, because I seem to be all over the place. And Sarah's used to talking. She's a woman, of course she's used to talking. And I will be driving probably around about 4 hours ish on that day. There's probably 2 hours each way, I reckon. So there's plenty of time for you to catch a little bit of the live drive, or none of it, depending on who you are or what you're doing, whether it's not your cup of tea, who knows. But hopefully some of you will give it a go on Friday and we can have a bit of a chit chat all the way down to Deal. And obviously the 4 o'clock one will be us coming back from Deal. Anyway, let's get on to the clip for today, and it is just one clip, and it is going back on the last video, UK Bad Driving 413, I think it is. It's this video, and it is this particular clip with Dumb D. If you remember it, it was all about Dumb D being in the wrong lane and me not giving way to her when she wanted to come back into the correct lane. And a lot of people in the comments section said that I was to blame for it, and she can go straight on from that lane. Well, she can go straight on from that lane because she did go straight on from that lane, but she shouldn't have. And a lot of people said that I should have let her in. I could have let her in, not should have let her in, because she shouldn't even be turning down that road. She should be turning right. It is really clear on the ground where she should be going, and she knows it as well. She's a local girl. I can tell by the way she drove there that she knows exactly what she's doing. She is just, as what we say in the trade, a queue jumper. That's all she is, a queue jumper. And people are getting confused with this defensive driving. You've got to make allowances for these people and all this sort of stuff. It wears thin with me. I've got to say it wears thin with me, because these people just do it constantly, and I do it most of the time. I do defensive driving and let these people in and out and all that sort of stuff, but not all the time. Not for people like that do it deliberately, and I could see that she was doing it deliberately. So when we get closer to the roundabout, I will show you the clip, just in case you haven't seen the clip, but I will take the sound off of it because there's a lot of swearing by me and there's a song and all this sort of stuff. So I will take that off and I will show you the clip. But what's rattled my cage a little bit is that people are making comments on this particular clip, and before I've had a chance to reply, the famous five, you know, the famous five bloody haters of the channel get on to these people and they big them up and all this sort of stuff and tell them, yeah, you know, that you're right and I'm wrong and all this sort of stuff. And it just wears a thin again, like, you know, and I will show you that they are all wrong. And, you know, before you puff out your chest walking around giving it Bertie big bollocks, these people that are constantly on this channel in the comments section criticising everything, they're wrong. They're wrong by all accounts of the way this road is marked out. It is quite simple, okay? It really is. As we're coming up to the roundabout now, you can clearly see the right hand lane there says the A297. The one to the left hand side says the A217. She went down the A217 from this lane that I'm in now. So it's obvious that she's gone in the wrong lane. Now, if you could use both of these lanes to go down the A217, it would have the A217 on this lane, on this road as well, written on the ground right next door to the 297 there. It doesn't. So you shouldn't be going down there. And this is today, all right? This is today. The white car to the left-hand side should be going down the A217, but it doesn't. It goes down, it turns right the way we're going, okay? So remember, the other day when I showed you this clip, I was in the other lane. I was going down a 217 and she was in this lane. And a lot of people have been saying as well, when we come here, I'll just pause this for a second as the car turns right here, and it shouldn't be, that there is two lanes right in front of us there on the A217, and it's a merging turn. But look at the ground. Look at the ground. The ground is clearly showing that there's two lanes that come from the right-hand side, because that is where the traffic is. That is to help traffic flow, and as they go round the bend there, then they merge in turn there. It isn't to have two lanes coming from where we're coming. The road markings say it. The road markings back me up on this. Just look in that little bit there. There's nothing saying that you should go straight on from my lane here. And there's nothing saying that you should go right where that white car is. And it's just so plainly obvious that Dumb D and the white car there, you know, that's why you can't go straight on from this lane. It's there. It's there in black and white on the ground for you to see. And yet some people don't get it. And let me show you this as I come round this roundabout to show you it from the other side. Look at the ground. Both lanes for the A217 westbound, yeah? Both lanes, because this is normally chock-a-block. On rush hours, this is normally chock-a-block and it needs the extra lane. Again, 217 in both lanes westbound. It's a shame the lorry's in the way because I do have to go around it. I've got no one behind me. Just to show you that how you do both lanes. You come round here and then you merge here where the arrows suggest that you should merge in. It's simple. Not from the other angle where she was coming, where Dumb D was coming from. I hope that explains a little bit. I'll show you the clip now of Dumb D and her stupid driving. And yeah, you could probably have a go at my reaction to it, but when you drive for a living and this happens constantly all the time, it does, as I keep saying, it does wear thin. So here she is, she's on the right hand side. She knows she's in the wrong lane because she's a queue jumper and my lane had more traffic in it than hers. And she should be going round to the right now. As I said, the two lanes here are not for her coming from that lane. And obviously she's using the horn and all that on me and hand gesturing and all that sort of stuff, even though she's in the wrong lane. I'm not in the wrong lane, she is. That is why she is Dumb D. Now, I'm going to show you this again. What would happen if that van in front of me is turning right like the car did in the previous clip? Where would Dumb D go then? Yeah, another reason why you should not be going in that lane to come down A217. It's pretty straightforward to me. But then there are some people that just can't take that in, like her and like a few of the famous five that's in the comment section that always hate everything I do. But I have got my Susie in the comment section who gives it back to them just as much as what I can, probably more than what I can, and tries to, how should we put it, educate them. Yeah, I don't know why these people actually bother watching this channel. They obviously don't like it. But having said that, there are a few people that do like this channel. I've just got sent this from YouTube. 9 million views this channel's had now. And I know that some channels get 9 million views with one video, but that's not too bad for a one-man band that didn't know how to edit, didn't know anything about computers or anything like that. I'm not doing too bad, I don't think. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. I hope to catch you guys on Friday for the live drive, for both live drives. So don't forget to let us know which way you want me to go down to deal. It will be quite interesting to see some of your comments. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, and I wonder if Susie's going to be first to comment on this one.